All right, let's be real. Being a student means mastering the art of surviving on a budget. Your wallet is emptier than your fridge, and every time you check your bank balance, it feels like a personal attack. But what if I told you that you could start making money online right now, without selling your soul or doing anything sketchy? No, I'm not talking about those make $1,000 a day doing nothing scams. I'm talking about real, simple, and legit ways to make money online while still having time for classes, Netflix, and the occasional nap. Today, we're diving into how I made $1,000 a month as a student and exploring top 10 online jobs for students in 2025 to help you earn from home. Welcome to Financial Roadmap, where your journey to wealth begins. 1. Freelancing. Get paid for your skills. If you have a skill, any skill, you can turn it into cash. Writing, graphic design, video editing, coding, voiceovers. There's a demand for everything. Freelancing is one of the best online earning opportunities for students because it gives you the flexibility to work on your own terms. Think about it. You already write essays, right? That means you could write blog posts, product descriptions, or even scripts like this one and get paid for it. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are the best freelancing platforms for students to get started. Or maybe you're the go-to person for fixing your friends' photos or making cool Instagram edits. Guess what? People will pay for that. Example, imagine you help someone design a simple logo. Instead of doing it for free, like you do for your friends, you charge $20, $50, or even $100 per project. That's real money for something you enjoy. Common mistakes include underpricing yourself. Just because you're a student doesn't mean you should work for pennies. Know your worth. Taking on too many projects can overload you, and school should come first. Ignoring contracts is another big mistake. Always have a clear agreement before starting work. 2. Selling designs, no inventory needed. If you can make simple graphics or quotes, you can put them on t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them online. You don't need to stock anything, just upload your design, and when someone buys, the product is made and shipped for you. This is one of the easy side hustles for college students that requires little to no investment. Even if you're not a designer, simple text-based shirts like, "I paused my Netflix for this" sell all the time. Example, you create a funny or relatable design, put it online, and each sale makes you money, without lifting a finger. Common mistakes include overcomplicating designs. Simple ones often sell better. Ignoring trends can lead to poor sales, so keep up with what people are buying. Forgetting to market your products means no one will find them, and no promotion equals no sales. 3. Online tutoring. Teach what you already know. If you're good at explaining things to your friends before exams, you can get paid for it. Online tutoring jobs for students are one of the best ways to monetize your knowledge. People need help with math, science, English, history, and even things like music or video editing. If you understand a subject well, you can teach someone else and earn money. Example, let's say you're great at math. Instead of just helping your classmates for free, you charge $10, $20, or even $30 an hour to tutor someone who needs help. Common mistakes include being disorganized. Have a clear lesson plan. Charging too little undervalues your time. Teaching requires patience and clear explanations, so being impatient won't help. 4. Affiliate marketing. Get paid without selling anything. This one sounds fancy, but it's super simple. You recommend products online, someone buys them through your special link, and you get paid a commission. Affiliate marketing tips for beginners can help you understand how to get started. No inventory, no customer service, just passive income. Example, let's say you love gaming. You create a post or video reviewing headphones and recommend them. When people buy them through your link, you earn money. You didn't even have to ship anything. Common mistakes include spamming links everywhere. It's annoying and doesn't work. Not being honest about the products you recommend can lose trust. Ignoring SEO means people won't find your content. 5. Selling study notes. Turn classwork into cash. You know those neat, color-coded notes you take? They could be worth money to students who don't take notes, or don't even show up to class. This is one of the best ways to make money online as a teenager with minimal effort. Example, you type up your class notes, upload them online, and every time someone downloads them, you get paid. It's like making money from something you already do. Common mistakes include making notes too messy. Keep them clear and structured. Not updating content can make them irrelevant. High-quality notes should have a fair price. Don't undervalue your work. 6. Virtual assistant. Get paid to be organized. Are you the friend who always reminds everyone about assignments? Do you make to-do lists for fun? You'd be perfect as a virtual assistant. This is a great option for part-time online work for students looking for steady income. Example: you help someone organize their inbox for a few hours a week and make $10, $15, or even $20 an hour just by being responsible. Common mistakes include overcommitting. Don't take on more work than you can handle. Not being professional can cost you clients. Skipping contracts can lead to payment issues. 7. YouTube and blogging. Build your own brand. Starting a YouTube channel or blog is one of the best passive income ideas for students because once your content is up, it keeps earning. You can make money with YouTube as a student by posting engaging content and monetizing with ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Example: a student posts study tips or vlogs about college life, builds an audience, and earns money from ads and sponsorships. Common mistakes include inconsistent posting, ignoring audience engagement, and not learning SEO strategies to grow visibility. 8. Social media monetization. Earn from your followers. If you have a decent following on Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, you can earn money through social media as a student by promoting brands, affiliate marketing, or even selling digital products. Example: a student with a 10K followers TikTok account partners with brands to promote products and gets paid. Common mistakes include choosing the wrong niche, neglecting engagement, and not diversifying income streams. 9. Creating and selling online courses. If you're skilled at something, why not teach it? Creating and selling online courses as a student is a lucrative way to share knowledge while making passive income. Example: a student good at coding creates a beginner-friendly Python course and sells it for $30 per student. 10. Balancing studies and work effectively. Making money online is great, but how to balance studies and online work effectively is key. Time management is crucial. Set study and work hours, avoid procrastination, and prioritize tasks. So there you have it. 10 ways to make money online as a student without quitting school or losing your social life. Some of these make quick cash, while others can turn into long-term income. The key is to start. Pick one and go for it, because being broke is not a personality trait. Which one are you trying first? Let me know. I hope you liked the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful, interesting content.